everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and in today's video I want to show you the 3 ways that you can invite participants to your project. Let's go. So first we're going to start from our main page, and we're going to click on our marketing project. As you can see, I'm all alone in here. So we're going to click on the invite button that is right above the search bar. And here we have the 3 ways that you can invite participants to your project. First one is from your organizational chart. So as you can see, your whole organizational chart is going to appear right here. You can also search for the name directly if you know who you're looking for, and then select, or just by clicking on the departments and selecting people directly from there. You can also invite external collaborators. The ones that you have already collaborated with before will appear right here, so we can choose someone from here as well. And all we have to do then is just click the button invite, and they will be automatically invited to your project. The second option is by sending the invitation link via email. So basically in here, you will type in all the email addresses that you want to send the invitation to. You can also put more detailed information in this little box here so that the people that get an invitation know what the project is about, and then simply click invite. And the third option is by copying the invitation link and sending them through whatever other platform you are used to communicate with your teammates. So to show you an example, we copy the invitation link and we can send them through our chat on Morningmate. And as you can see, the other person will just get a link. All she has to do is click on it and she will be directed to the project. And these are the 3 ways that you can invite participants to your project and start collaborating. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.